Today, I'm going to share with you the healthiest lunch if you are trying to lose weight. Okay, the side benefit, if you want anti-inflammation, if you want to have a good cancer preventative meal, it's all of that. But let's focus on if you want a healthy lunch, satisfying, gratifying, and helps the metabolism move the needle. That's what I'm going to share with you today. So please hit like and subscribe so you and I can stay connected. And I want to welcome you to the Biblical Nutritionist family. Now, today, it's only 3 ingredients. That's it. So you can just grab your favorite fish, whether it's tuna or salmon, and go ahead and get about 4 to 6 ounces per serving. So if you're just making it for yourself, that's all you need. So 4 to 6 ounces per serving, kind of flake it up a little bit. Then we're going to add an avocado. We're just going to slice that open real quickly. And per serving, you only need 1/2 an avocado. So we'll just scoop that out. So the fish that we're using is either a salmon or a tuna. And you just want to cream that up together. And depending on how ripe your avocado is going to determine how creamy your mixture is. So hopefully you have a really ripe one. Mine's a little bit on the green side, so it's not quite as creamy as I wanted. But still, it's going to work. Now, the only other ingredient that you can add to this is your favorite seasonings. So I always use Nature's Seasonings. It just has a good blend. But any of your favorite herbs are going to work really well with this. So just blend it up, cream it together, season it to your liking, and then we're just going to put it on some celery sticks, and we are going to have a very satisfying meal. It's satisfying and weight loss because it's high protein, so it helps to balance ghrelin and your leptin, which keeps you hungry and satisfied at the right times of the day. It's okay to be hungry if it's time to eat. It's not okay to be hungry if it's not time to eat. So we need the healthy fats for that to work right, and we need the healthy protein. So the fats and the protein are in the avocado, and the fats and the protein are in the fish. So we have it perfect both ways. So whether you use tuna or whether you use salmon, your choice. Go ahead and cream it up together. Put it on your celery stick and then enjoy. Okay. This is lunch today. If you were here, I'd share it. But since you're not, go make it for yourself. Enjoy it. Healthy fats, healthy brain, healthy metabolism, healthy hormones, healthy weight loss. Satisfying, delicious. You can add lemon juice, other ingredients, all you want. Keep your base, fish and avocado, and you win every time. Thanks for letting me share with you God's recipe for excellent health. Stay connected, hit the like, subscribe, and join our Facebook group, Biblical Nutrition Academy. Can't wait to see you there. Welcome to the Biblical Nutritionist family. I am here to serve you God's recipe for excellent health. And I get to do that through many ways. One is through these videos on YouTube. Another way that you may not realize is we have what's known as the Inner Circle. And it's in the Biblical Nutrition Academy. And this is where we get to come together and we get to meet on Zoom. We have meetings 2 to 3, sometimes 4 times a week, where you can come and you can just sit at the table and drink your cup of tea and bring to the table what's on your heart and mind. Some of our meetings are about how to pray for God's answer and to expect God's answer. Those calls are amazing. And then we have calls for how to just take your kitchen and take it from being a burden to a blessing. And then the highlight of our coaching calls on how to transform your health. As your personal biblical nutritionist, I will be there on those calls to help you. You get to bring your questions and we get to work through it. And it's all in a group setting on Zoom. But there's another call that I want to invite you to, and that is our B3 Victory Calls. And this is where we get to identify what are those beliefs that are holding you back, and how can you push those aside, just take those captive, throw them out the door, and start seeing God work amazingly in your life. I invite you to check out the Inner Circle, thebiblicalnutritionist.com/inner circle, and learn about this. We only open it up 4 times in a year, and I don't want you to miss out on our next opening. If it's not open, it'll say join the wait list and we'll notify you first. We are limited seating, but yet we have a seat that I hope that you will take place and join us, because God has a victory waiting for you, and it's time to get rid of the lies, and it's time to see your health, to explore what your health can be like, and to get the victory mentally, physically, and importantly, spiritually. Welcome to the Biblical Nutritionist family.